Dear students, in last video we have started the new chapter, that is integration. In that video we have studied about the basic rules of integration, also what is meant by integration. Also I have given few formulae related to integration. The formulae are very basic formulae for the integration. Today also I am sharing some more formulae for the integrations. Please make the consolidated list of the formulae for the integrations. So let us take some formulae for the integration, that is integration of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square with respect to x is sine inverse of x plus constant of integration c. Students, you know that the differentiation of sine inverse of x with respect to x equal to 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Hence, its integration is sine inverse of x. Also, you know that the differentiation of cos inverse of x, differentiation of cos inverse of x with respect to x is minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square, and hence its integration is cos inverse of x. Similarly, integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x is tan inverse of x, because differentiation of tan inverse of x with respect to x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Similarly, integration of minus 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x is cot inverse of x. Cot inverse of x plus constant of integration c. And the last formula, that is integration of 1 upon x into x square minus 1 square root of x square minus 1 with respect to x is sec inverse of x, because differentiation of sec inverse of x with respect to x is 1 upon x, that is 1 upon x into square root of x square minus 1, and its integration is sec inverse of x. So these are some formulae. Make the list of the formulae for the integration, and student, if prepare the list of important formulae, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to solve the problems of integration. So please make the list. Okay, now let us solve some examples. The example is that is evaluate 3x square minus 5 whole square with respect to x. Okay students, so let us simplify this, that is 3x square minus 5 whole square by using a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab. The formula for a minus b whole square, by using this we will simplify. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this is the square of 3x square minus 5 whole square is 9x raised to 4 minus 30x square and plus 25. This is the expansion of the bracket. Okay, and now the integration of this, let I equal to integration of this. Take the integration separately. Integration of 9x square, integration of 9x raised to 4 minus with respect to x. Okay, minus integration of 30x square with respect to x plus integration of 25 with respect to x. Okay students, so here 9 as a constant, integration of x raised to 4 with respect to x minus 30 as a constant, integration of x square with respect to x plus 25 as a constant and integration of constant, that is with respect to x, plus constant of integration c. Okay, so this x raised to 4 by using the formula here, integration of x raised to n with respect to x, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. By using this formula we have to integrate. The value of n is 4 here. Also we integrate this x square by using the same formula, but the value of n is 2 here. So here integration equal to 9 as a constant, x raised to 4 plus 1, n is 4, 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1, minus 30 as a constant, x square, n is 2, that is x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, plus 25 as a constant. And students, integration of constant number with respect to x is x. Remember this. Integration of constant number, that is with respect to x. No term is here, that is 1 into integration of x with respect to x. That is the constant. Integration of constant number is x. Integration of constant number is x. Remember this. While differentiation of constant number is 0. And therefore here the integration I, that equal to 9 into x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 30 into x raised to 3 upon 3 plus 25x plus c. And if we simplify here, that will be equal to 9 upon 5 x raised to 5 minus 3 tens are 30, and that is 10 x raised to 3 plus 25x plus c. This is the integration of given problem. Okay, in this way we have solved this problem. Now the next problem is that integrate or evaluate integration of x square 1 minus 2 upon x raised to 3 with respect to x. 2 upon x raised to 2 with respect to x. Okay students, again first simplify the problem, then integrate. Okay, so simplification of this is x square as it is, square of the bracket is a square minus 2ab plus b square according to this formula, that is 1 minus 2 into ab, that is 2 into 2 by x, that is minus 4 by x, and plus 4 upon x square, 4 upon x square. This is the square of this bracket. Now again further simplification, x square into 1 is x square minus x4 into x square is 4x square upon x, that is minus 4x, and plus 4x square upon x square is 4. X get cancelled. We multiply by x square to term inside the bracket with respect to x. And now integration I equal to, take the integration of each term separately, that is integration of x square with respect to x minus 4 as a constant, take it outside, integration of x with respect to x plus 4 as a constant, and integration with respect to x plus constant of integration c. So by using x raised to n formula, that is integration of x raised to n formula, x raised to n with respect to x is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay students, and this is x raised to n plus 1 means x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 4 into x raised to, here n is 1, x raised to x is there means the value of n is 1, x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 4 into, again here is the constant term. The constant integration of constant number is x plus constant of integration is c. Hence, integration is x raised to 3 upon 3 minus 4 x square upon 2 and plus 4x plus constant of integration c. And hence the integration is, after simplification, x raised to 3 upon 3 minus 2 2s are 4, that is 2x square plus 4x plus c is the answer of integration. Okay students, in this way these are very simple problems. Okay, and in this way we have to integrate. These are very basic problems. Okay, now the next problem is that evaluate integration of 9 minus x by 2, that is raised to 8 plus 4x plus 5, and that is raised to 3 whole power raised to 3, and you have to integrate with respect to x. Okay students, so these are the two terms, the first term and second term. Take their integration separately, that is integration I equal to 9 minus x upon 2 whole the power 8 with respect to x, plus take the integration of second term, that is 4x plus 5 raised to 3 with respect to x. So students, in last example there was the whole square, and by using the square formula we simplify the bracket and found out the integration step easily. But now in this problem the power is 8 and the expansion of this power is quite difficult, and that's why by using directly formula we have to solve the integration. Now how to solve the integration? See here students. So here the power is 8. Okay, and by using the formula, that is x raised to n formula, we have to integrate. That is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And the value of n is 8 here. Okay students, and that's why the integration will be 9 minus x upon 2 raised to 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1. But see students, here the term 9 minus x by 2 is again differentiable function. Okay, and in last video I have explained you that if we integrate the function, and after integrating the function, if it is again differentiable, then find out its differentiation and divide the term. Means here at 9 minus x by 2 is differentiable function. So in case of integration, we divide here, that is into differentiation of 9 minus x by 2. Okay, in this with respect to x. Take its differentiation and divide it. Okay, in this way we have to find out the integration of such terms. Okay students, so here similarly here that is 4x plus 5 raised to 3 means here 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. But see here the term 4x plus 5 is again differentiable term. So take its differentiate at the denominator. Okay, and in this way you have to find out the integration 4x plus 5 upon x. Students, hence the integration equal to 9 minus x by 2 raised to 9 upon 9 into the differentiation of 9 with respect to x is 0 minus differentiation of x by 2 is minus 1 by 2. minus 1 by 2 plus 4x plus 5 raised to 4 upon 3 plus 1 is 4 into integration of 4x plus 5, that is 4 is a constant, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, 1, that's why that is equal to 4, and plus differentiation of 5 is 0. Hence this is the differentiation term and this is the differentiation of this. In your problem, while solving the problem, this is not necessary to write all these things. For your better understanding, for explanation, I have written the explanation here. Okay, students, you can write directly in this way. You can write directly in this way. And hence, integration equal to, that is 9 minus x by 2 raised to 9 upon, this is equal to minus 2 upon 9 and plus 4x plus 5 raised to 4 upon 16 plus constant of integration c. In this way, this is the integration of given problem. Means here in this problem, you have to remember one thing, that if we find out the integration of main function, and suppose here by using power we have found out the integration, okay, and again the inner side function is differentiable, then take its differentiation and write the differentiation or divide by the whatever is your differentiation, by that term divide. Here we have found out the differentiation is minus 1 by 2 and we divide here. The differentiation is 4 and we have divided here. In this way, you have to find out the differentiation. Okay, students, this is not necessary to write all these things. Only for explanation, I have written all these things. Okay, students, now take down the next problem. The next problem is integrate or evaluate integration of 1 upon 6x minus 5 raised to 4 minus 1 upon 8 minus 3x raised to 9 whole with respect to x. Find out the integration. Okay, students, again there are two terms. To find out integration, take their integration separately. Okay, students, so here the power is 4, the power is 9 and the terms are separate. So we take the integration also separately. That is integration of 1 upon 6x minus 5 raised to 4 with respect to x minus integration of 1 upon 8 minus 3x raised to 9 with respect to x. And in this way, we have to integrate. But see students, that is to which formula here we have to use. We can use the formula x raised to n, integration of x raised to n formula with respect to x. But we should shift the term to numerator. And to shift the term numerator, its index, that is 4, will becomes minus 4. That is 4x minus 5 raised to minus 4. Shift the term to numerator. Minus integration of 8 minus 3x raised to minus 9 with respect to x. And now we can use the formula x raised to n. And the formula is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay, students. So here the value of n is minus 4 and value of n is minus 9. So by using formula, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this is 6x minus 5 raised to minus 4 plus 1 upon minus 4 plus 1. Okay, students. Into, see here, again this 6x minus 5 is again differentiable function. So take its differentiation at denominator into differentiation of 6x minus 5. Now I will write directly. Differentiation of 6x is 6 minus differentiation of 5 is 0. That is 6 minus 0. Okay students, minus. Similarly here, integration of 8 minus 3x raised to minus 9, that is integration is 8 minus 3x minus 9 plus 1 upon minus 9 plus 1. Again, if you observe the function, the inner function 8 minus 3x is again differentiable function. That's why take its differentiation. Differentiation of 8, the constant number is 0 minus differentiation of 3x is 3. So students, always remember that the integration, while integrating, take the integration, and after taking integration, again the inner function is again differentiable. Take its differentiation and divide it. Okay, in this way. And hence integration I equal to, the integration is equal to, that is 6x minus 5 raised to minus 4 plus 3 is minus 3 upon minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3 into 6. Okay, minus 8 minus 3x raised to minus 8 upon minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8, minus 1 minus 8 into minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. And hence the integration is 6x minus 5 raised to minus 3 upon 18 minus 8 minus 3x raised to minus 8 upon minus becomes plus 24. Again, you can write in this way the term, we can shift to the numerator, that is 1 upon 6x minus 5 raised to 3 into 18 and minus 1 upon 24 into 8 minus 3x raised to 8. In this way, we can solve the problem plus constant of integration c. Okay students, in this way we have to solve the problem. Okay, now the next one. The next problem is that integrate or evaluate 3 upon square root of 7x minus 2 minus 7x minus 5 with respect to x. Okay students, so in last example, see, in this example the terms are here, in this example the terms are separate here. Okay, the terms are separate and directly we can take their integration separately. But in this problem, there are no two terms. Only one term is there, and at the denominator there are two terms. Okay, first simplify this one. To simplify this, you know that what is the method for simplification. So to simplify it, rationalize the denominator. Okay, rationalize the denominator, then we can solve the problem easily. So first simplify, that is for the simplification, take its rationalizing factor. The rationalizing factor of the denominator, that is 7x minus 2 minus 7x minus 5. Its rationalizing factor is, that is square root of 7x minus 2 plus 7x minus 5 is the rationalizing factor of the denominator. Okay, and rationalize the denominator, that is 7x minus 2 plus square root of 7x minus 2 in this way. Okay students, and with respect to x we have to integrate. Okay, and now this is equal to, so 3 into square root of 7x minus 2 plus square root of 7x minus 5 and whole with respect to x, and at the denominator the calculation will be, so this is a minus b, this is a plus b, and that is a square minus b square, and that's why it is 7x minus 2 minus 7x minus 5. So square root get cancelled, and now we get this thing. Okay, so plus 7x minus 7x will get cancelled, and here minus 2 minus minus plus 5, and upon the calculation will be square root of 7x minus 2 plus square root of 7x minus 5 with respect to x, and the calculation is minus 2 minus minus plus 5, and that is plus 3. 3 get cancelled, and now the factor, the after simplification, this is our integral, that is 7x minus 2 and plus square root of 7x minus 5 with respect to x. So students, these are the methods to simplify the integral. Now after simplifying the integral, we can integrate. Okay, and now this is, now the terms are separate, and we can take the integration of each term separately. So this is the integration equal to integration of 7x minus 2 plus integration of 7x minus 5. See students, the square root, and we know that square root is the power half. So 7x minus 2 with power half with respect to x. Similarly here with the power half with respect to x. Instead of writing square root, we have written here the power half. Okay, and now by using very simple formula, x raised to n formula, that is integration of x raised to n with respect to x is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. By using this formula, we can integrate. Here n is half, and this is equal to 7x minus 2 raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1. But see students, again this 7x minus 2 is again differentiable function. So take its differentiation. So differentiation of 7x minus 2 is, differentiation of 7x is 7 minus differentiation of 2 is 0. Okay students, plus similarly here integration of 7x minus 5 is 7x minus 5 raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1. And again this 7x minus 5 is again differentiable function. Take its differentiation and write at the denominator. And the differentiation of 7x is 7 minus differentiation of 5 is 0 plus constant of integration c. And therefore here integration I, that is equal to, this is equal to 7x minus 2 half plus 1 is 3 by 2, and upon 3 by 2 into 7 plus 7x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2 half plus 1 is 3 by 2 into 7 plus constant of integration c. And students, the integration I equal to, we can simplify the term, that is 7x minus 2 raised to 3 by 2 upon 2 by 27. 2 by 27. 2 by 21. 7 into 3 is 21. Plus 2 into 7x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2 upon 21. In this way, we can find out the integration of given terms. Okay students, so these are the very basic problems and you have to practice this problem, and then now the problems today we have solved in this video are very basic problems. Okay, actual methods of integration, there are number of methods and that we have to study, but before going to that we have to practice such type of problems. Okay, so solve some problems as a homework. Okay, the problem is that integration of square root of 3x plus 7 plus 3x minus 8 with respect to x. This is one problem. Then second problem is integration of x square minus 7 whole square with respect to x. Then the next problem is integration of 2x plus 4 raised to 8 plus 7x minus 2 raised to 4 with respect to x. Okay students, please solve these problems. Okay, if you have any difficulty then ask me. Okay.